All right, I've little research today on hair and clothing for a Crow Indian warrior, and I'll fill you in on what I'm going to do in just a second. Be right back. I got a late start today because I have I sold the copy of a bronze from a clay that I did called Under Heaven's Roof. I'll put a picture of it here of what it looked like. And it's been sitting in a gallery down in Jackson Hole, Wyoming for a couple of years, along with a couple of the clays that I had down there. And a gentleman just bought a copy of it, and it's going to be delivered to the foundry by the gallery owner tomorrow. And I was just making arrangements with the foundry, lets them know it's coming and all that stuff. Also, I went back into my reference material. I had a model shoot back in 2006 on the Little Bighorn, right where Custer's battle took place. And I'll put some pictures up here of that gentleman that posed for me. He's a Crow Native American, Crow Indian from that area, the reservation over there. I'm sorry, I'm trying to sculpt and think at the same time, and it's hard. My brain don't work too well. Anyway, he wears his hair in a traditional Crow style, and it's an unusual hairstyle, and it's a beautiful hairstyle. And it's going to be the one I'm going to put on this guy here, along with a shirt that you see in the photographs. So I've got my hairstyle and shirt, and we'll go from there. I don't know how much I'll get done today. Because I spend so much time on the phone. I'm liking the way the face is starting to turn out. I just stuck the hair feature here to see what it looked like. I've got to have the forehead just right, and I had it sloping too much, and so I took the slope off of it. It's really hard to work this small, but I'll handle it. Okay, I'm going to use a little Roncinol lighter fluid to go over the face for now. I'm not done with the face by any chance, but I just want to get it smoothed out a little bit, get rid of some of the rough areas that I've got, so that when I come back Monday, I can work on the face again. Yeah, this is going to take a couple of days to do this face justice, and I'll pick this up next week. All right, I just wanted to check and see how it looks so far, and I think it's going to be okay. Put his arrow in his hand. Yeah, I think that's going to work out good. The face is turning out halfway decent. The eyes are the hardest part. I'm going to work on those on Monday. Then I got to finish up the shirt before I can put his hair on. And I haven't decided whether I'm going to do bare legs or with leggings yet. Anyway, I just wanted to see what it looks like on the rock, and I think that's going to be fine. Mountain Man has still got to be worked on, but it'll be probably next week before I can get on him. All right, everybody, have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week. Good night.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.